Hey, Dennis with Dennis Hard Floors again. Got cut off a while ago. Talking to you about the splines, and I told you I was gonna let you see me nail up some. I'll show you how I do it. Yeah, it's pretty simple. You just pull the wood up. You want to beat it as tight as you can without damaging the wood, and then you start putting your staples in. You don't want to nail your wood up with the gun itself. You wear your gun out that way, and you end up hitting it harder and that sort of thing. So if you want to try to beat up the wood as much as you can. Now the Brazilian cherry are wider woods too, a little bit more aggravating. If they're milled right, the moisture good levels right, they usually will go up pretty simple and pretty good. All right. Every company is different. They mill it. Also, the blades wear out when they're milling. So things happen. But I'm gonna show you just watch me nail up a little bit. I ain't gonna nail it but a few boards, but it'll give you the gist of it, what's going on, and hopefully you can see me or see what you need to see in order to do it like you want. All right, let's give it a shot. I ain't got nobody to help me here hold this, and I didn't bring a camera per se. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna set this thing up the best I can where you can see me. All right, that might work. All right, the thing you're gonna do, you install your staples. All right, once you install your staples, lock your gun back down, run your fingertips on this. Some of them have longer handles. The original, when you buy a new gun, it'll come with an extended handle. I like the shorter handles better. I can slide it a little bit easier. At least I can. Feels like I can. So, get these few pieces out of the way, and I'll get down there where you can see me better. Better at it, so you get a little bit used to it. Come down here, the longer piece is more aggravated, not straight. You want to beat all of it as tight as you can, and then you'll start. Close some gaps up sometimes. You can tilt the gun a little bit. You don't want to overdo it, but you can tilt the gun some, and that'll help close the gap. Pull it tight to the next piece. And after you do that, you're going to want to put another nail beside it. That way it goes down, and it'll keep it from moving back out again. Okay. Now, as you do it, like I said, you want to stair step. If you can, what you want to do is you want to start with the piece. Get that piece nailed, walk back down and get your next piece. And you're going to stair step. Keep on going. Next piece, take it close. I'll hit the board again. That'll kind of give it a point where you can close the gap up if it opens up some. You know what I mean? So anyway, like I said, that'll give you an idea. I'm going to finish nailing my floor. Take a look at it. Pretty simple. The hardest thing, like I said, the most aggravating thing about installing the floor is getting the line straight to start with. Nailing up's pretty easy, okay? If you need any questions, always get on Dennis Hardwood Floors, my website or something like that, and you can come look me up and everything, and I'll be glad to give you some information or come do your floors for you, whichever comes first. All right? Y'all have a great day. Bye.